What's the meaning of bust? Bust. Bust.
Bust. Bust. The term bust has several meanings, but it is most commonly used to describe a situation where something fails or falls apart. For example, if a business goes bust, it means that it has become bankrupt and can no longer operate. In the realm of law enforcement, if someone is caught by the police and charged with drug-related offenses, they may be said to have been busted. This is also true for other illegal activities. Generally speaking, when something or someone is busted, it means that they have been exposed or caught in the act of doing something wrong or illegal.